Hello everyone, it's Carmine coming to you live from New York City on this gorgeous piece of property, 83 acres here in New York. It's called Snug Harbor. This is a beautiful photographer's paradise. It has structures going back to the 1800s, botanical gardens. It has a Asian themed koi pond and other structures that go back to 1801. In 1801, a gentleman donated this 83-acre site for a home for, quote, decrepit and worn out sailors. At one point, there were 900 sailors living here on this property. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has botanical gardens. It has so much to offer for the photographer here in New York City. Today we're going to be discussing point and shoot cameras. I hate that term, point and shoot cameras, because it gives it a derogatory term, as if they're for amateurs only. That's not true. Today, let's take a look at this. This is the Olympus AF1 35mm film camera. It's noted to have the most gorgeous Zuko 35mm lens. It's a 4-element in 4-group lens that produces the most gorgeous photographs. In 1986, this Olympus AF1 was the world's first weatherproof, fully automatic 35mm film camera. It was an instant success. Even Andy Warhol was quoted as saying, "This is an intuitive, gorgeous camera." It takes a battery, it's the CRP2 battery. Shutter speeds, well, for a point and shoot, but I'd rather call it a compact professional film camera, its shutter speeds range from 1/30th of a second to 1/750th of a second. That's pretty darn good for a compact camera. Now, the lens. I can't tell you enough about this lens. Most compact cameras come with a 45mm lens, but this is the perfect street shooter. It's a 35mm 2.8 lens. At the end of this video, you're going to see photographs that I took here on this site with this camera. I'm shooting HP5 in it today, but also I'm going to add other photographs from this site, from Snug Harbor, this 83-acre park, that I've taken on other trips. Don't forget, I'm a photographer for 49 years, so I've been here many times because it's just gorgeous. Let's see, right now, this camera still goes for $100 because they are so sought after. You're gonna pay for it, $100 on eBay. Let's see, I wanna make sure I get everything. Oh, today's episode is brought to you by CarmineTaverna.com. It's your free resource to get inspired about your photography. Now, this site that we're at, this Snug Harbor site here in Richmond County of Staten Island, one of the 5 boroughs of New York City, it is just incredible. The millionaire, Mr. Randall, when he donated this property for the rest home, you can call it, for worn out and decrepit sailors, he built everything here from homes, a theater, a hospital, a power plant, just an incredible place to respect sailors who have given so much. Because don't forget, the sailing industry in the 1800s and the 1700s, that was it. That was your transportation to go around the world. That was how you got all your cargo. You didn't get a jet from Japan, from DHL or FedEx or UPS flown in to Chicago or New York to deliver your brand new DSLRs, right? Everything had to come by ship. So Mr. Randall, the billionaire, he would be considered today a billionaire, he felt that sailors should be respected in their retirement. This place is just absolutely gorgeous. The homes behind me were for the higher ranking sailors, the captains, etc. It's early spring. It's the end of March 2022, and it's cold today, which I always felt that it's a wonderful, the weather is just wonderful when it's chilly out early in the morning to take photographs, because for some reason it just clears the air of any pollution, of any type of garbage in the air, humidity. It just cleans it all out. And you can even see on this camera the colors, the clarity of what cool weather gives to you. All right, I've gone long enough. Let's talk about what's coming up. What's coming up are the photographs taken here on this site with the Olympus AF1, and also I'll add photographs that I've taken over the years here on this site with various digital cameras and film cameras. All right, guys, please subscribe. We're so close to 1 million subscribers. Hit that button. You'll feel good and I'll feel great. Thumbs up. Email me, guys. You know you can. I get so many emails a day and I answer them all. blackandwhitephoto@aol.com. And don't forget your free resource from our sponsor today. It'll inspire you. Taverna.com. All right, guys, thumbs up. Let's look at those photographs right now.